Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making chicken fajitas. Now we're talking about finger-licking, mouth-watering chicken paired with perfectly cooked vegetables. This recipe will never disappoint. So, let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. For the star of our dish, we're gonna need 1.5 pounds worth of chicken thighs, which is about 5 thighs, skinless and boneless. You want to sprinkle on a thin layer of salt and black pepper onto both sides of all the chicken thighs, and then press the seasoning into the chicken. In a medium-sized shallow bowl, you also want to add in 2 tablespoons worth of olive oil, 2 tablespoons or the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lime, 1 garlic clove that's been minced, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Give those a quick mix, and we're also going to add in 1 tablespoon's worth of freshly chopped cilantro. Whisking those all together until they're well combined. We're going to add the chicken thighs to this marinade and then toss them to coat. Allow this to marinate for at least 30 minutes and up to overnight. We're also going to need some veggies for our fajitas. In particular, we're going to need 1 large green bell pepper, thinly sliced, as well as 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, and for more color, 1 large yellow bell pepper, also thinly sliced. We're also going to add in 1 red onion, thinly sliced into the same length pieces as the peppers. All right, on to cooking the chicken. We're going to heat 1 tablespoon's worth of olive oil in a large frying pan set to medium-high heat, or 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. Once the pan is hot, we want to add in our marinated chicken thighs and cook them for a total of 16 minutes, flipping each thigh in 2-minute intervals. This ensures an even cook and a slight char on each thigh. Once the chicken is cooked, you want to transfer them to a plate and loosely tint them with aluminum foil and allow them to rest while we cook the vegetables. We're going to add the sliced peppers and onions to the large frying pan with another tablespoon of olive oil, this time set over medium heat, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 176 degrees Celsius. You want to saute the vegetables for about 16 minutes or until they have all softened. To boost that flavor, we're going to season them with a thin sprinkling of salt and black pepper as well. After our veggies have finished cooking, you want to remove the aluminum foil and slice the chicken into thin strips. This recipe ensures that your chicken is bursting with flavor. We're going to serve our chicken fajitas with some warmed flour tortillas, sliced avocado, and some extra chopped cilantro. Congrats, you've made chicken fajitas right at home. You can also use corn tortillas for a different texture and flavor for this recipe as well. I really like how this recipe turns out. I can't wait to see you guys try it yourselves. And when you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave the link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make my chicken fajita dish. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button too. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. and stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make another great chicken recipe, my chicken cordon bleu. Well, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always check out my videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.